What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a MetaMask account and to create your wallet on MetaMask. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Make sure that you have MetaMask downloaded through your app store. And then we're going to go to the bottom and select Get Started after you open it up. So now right here is where you're going to set up your wallet. And what we want to do is create a new wallet. So go ahead and select that. And now you need to enter your new password for your new MetaMask wallet. So when you enter the password, you want to make sure that it's at least 8 characters or it's going to reject the password, unfortunately. You always want your password to be secure, just so no one can easily hack your information. Because if someone gets into this wallet and you have a lot of money, invested into this wallet, you're going to be pretty upset. So make sure your password is nice and strong and only stored in a place that you have access to. You can also enable Face ID as well. And that's what I just did. So yeah, now we're going to secure the wallet. It's a little video you can watch or you can just skip it. And then go ahead and select Start. And this is going to allow you to, copy your secret recovery phrase. This is going to be a phrase that only you should have access to. It's going to be a bunch of different words, and they're going to be in a specific order. And this is really good that they have these for wallets. It's very secure. And you either need to memorize this or, again, store it in a place that you only have access to, because this is what you're going to use just in case you ever forget your password. So yeah, you want to write it down and lock it away. So to reveal your recovery phrase, tap View, and then it's going to have you confirm all the words. And then when that's complete, you have safely confirmed your recovery phrase. And now you can just set a recovery hint just in case you forget where you stored it at. I actually took a screenshot of mine and I placed it in a certain place. And now they just want you to read all of this information and kind of help them improve the app. And so, yeah, after you agree, that's pretty much it. Your account is set up. You can rename it and it'll instruct you. You just swipe through, get started on that little prompt at the bottom, and it'll just give you basic information about all the different things that this app has to offer. And now you can enjoy your wallet, add money to it. And guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Listen.